Good morning students, this is the computer class and today we will start a new chapter. Chapter number 2, more about Windows. In this chapter we are going to learn about Windows. Okay, so our first concept is operating system. What is an operating system? An operating system is a set of programs that manages the computer resources and lets people communicate with the computer. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम क्या है? ये हमारा एक सेट ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स है जो पीपल को हेल्प करता है कंप्यूटर से कम्युनिकेट करने में. ओके, सी इन दिस द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कंपेयर्ड विद आवर मदर. ओके, like at your home your mother manages all the affairs. She is in charge of cooking food, also take care of the washing and cleaning. At your home your mother is in charge of doing everything now, like cooking your food, washing your clothes and every other work in the house. Just like that, operating system is the in charge of doing everything on the computer, like managing its file systems, handling input output and running programs. Okay, you can say that your mother is the operating system of your home. We can say that our mother is the operating system of our home, like she takes care of our food, clothes, cleaning, washing. Like that only our operating system takes care of storage, store files, manage software, open files, control hardwares. Okay, now about the Windows operating system. Now we are going to learn more about Windows operating system. Okay, first is, in the beginning people did not like using computer as they had to remember a lot of commands. In the beginning of the computer era, people have to learn different commands to use a computer. Okay, if they happen to forget a command, they had to leave their work unfinished. If they by chance forget any command, then their work will be unfinished. The Microsoft came up with wonderful operating system called Windows. Then Microsoft comes up with wonderful operating system called Windows. Microsoft gave us Windows, which help us to do our work very easily on the computer without remembering any commands. Okay, now fact file. There are different versions of Windows like Windows 3.0, Windows 3.1, Windows 95, Windows NT, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7 and Windows 8. These are the different versions of Windows. Okay, many older versions like Windows 3.0, Windows 3.1, Windows 95 and Windows 98 have been discontinued. These Windows systems are discontinued. मतलब nowadays they are not in use. Okay, now second concept, graphical user interface. The Windows operating system is very user friendly because the commands used in it are in the form of small pictures and not in the form of typed text. Why Windows operating system is very user friendly? Because all the commands or anything in the Windows operating system is in the form of small pictures called icons. ये देखिए, ये आपका फ्रंट पेज होता है मॉनिटर स्क्रीन का. So with the help of the operating system, all the commands will be shown in these icons. These small pictures are called icons. Okay, this is the start button. This is the task bar. This is the show desk. Okay, that is why Windows operating system is termed as graphical user interface instead of character user interface. Because of this reason, because of icons, this Windows operating system is known as graphical user interface instead of character user interface. Okay, now the look of Windows 7. When you switch on your computer, the Windows OS gets loaded into your computer and you will see the Windows screen. Let us discuss the various components of it. This is the look of Windows 7. We have already done this. Okay, now we will discuss about the desktop. Okay, Desktop is a look on the screen that you can see when you switch on the computer and has the Windows operating system installed on it. In the picture you can see the desktop screen of Windows 7. What is a desktop? This whole look is known as the desktop. When you switch on your computer and if Windows operating system is installed in your computer, then only you can see this scene, and this is called desktop. Okay, now come to icons. Icons are small pictures which represent the programs, files, folder, etc. associated with them. Okay, these are the icons. These are the small pictures. What they represent? Any program, file, folder or anything that we saved in this. Okay, now come to examples. This icon represent the recycle bin. See, this type of icon represent the recycle bin. Now this icon represent a folder icon. This icon represent the MS Word file. See, it's type of a dustbin. It's like a opening folder. And this, a page is given and the W is written on it. That is MS Word file. Okay. You can move an icon by dragging it to a new place on the desktop. We can also move any icon in any place of this desktop. Just click on it and then drag it. Okay. Now we are going to learn how to select multiple icons. Okay. Selecting multiple icons. To move or delete multiple icons at once, you must first select all of them. See, if you want to delete any item, then you click on it and then delete. But if you want to delete number of icons, then how you can do that? Just select them all and then delete it. Click on empty area of the desktop and drag the mouse to surround the icons that you want to select with the rectangular selection box. First, you have to click on the see, if you want to delete these three items, then you will click on this empty area and then drag the then the rectangular box will appear and then drag that box till here. Then all the three icons will selected. Then click on the delete button. Okay. Then release the mouse button. Now you can drag the icons as a group. Okay. Or you can drag these three icons anywhere in the ground or move any or delete. Okay. Now wallpaper. You can see a background on which icons are placed. See, this is the background on which the icons are placed. So this is called a wallpaper. Okay. This background is called a wallpaper. This wallpaper can be changed to give different background to the desktop. This wallpaper we can change it and give different looks to our desktop. Okay. You can use any picture, even your own photograph as the background. We can use any picture to make our background, even your own photograph also. Okay. Next is taskbar. See, this is the taskbar. Okay. The bar at the bottom of the screen is called the taskbar. It contains the start button, which when clicked will give you a lot of other options to access the other programs and change the settings of your computer. See, this is the taskbar and it contains the start button, which help us to get more other options to access the programs, and we can also change our settings through it. Okay. Now next is show desktop icon. See, this is the desktop icon here. On the right end of the taskbar, there is a show desktop icon. When you click on it, all the open windows get minimized and desktop becomes visible. By clicking on it, all the windows that you are working on will get minimized. Means they get shrunken and your desktop screen will appear. Okay, quick quiz. What is the use of start button and show desktop button? Where are these located? Just now we have read about this. Start button in the left corner and show desktop button in the right corner. Start button give access to many other programs of the computer and help us to change our settings. While show desktop button minimize all the windows and make desktop screen visible. Okay. Now files and folder. All the time while working on the computer, you will creating files and organizing them into folders. Let us be clear about what does a file and the folder mean to us. Whenever we are working on the computer, we have to make files. If we are making any program, then we have to save it in a file, and then those files of the similar group we will save in the folder. Okay, now we are learn about what are files and what are folder. What is the difference between a file and a folder? मतलब फाइल और फोल्डर में क्या डिफरेंस होगा? सो अबाउट फाइल्स. अ फाइल इज अ कंप्यूटर वर्क स्टोर्ड विद द नेम ऑन अ डिस्क. व्हाट इज अ फाइल? फाइल हमारा जो हम कंप्यूटर में वर्क करते हैं वो होता है जिसपे हम नेम लिखते हैं अपना. ओके, ये एक टाइप का एक बार आइकन क्रिएट कर देते हैं हम, जिसमें हम अपना वर्क स्टोर करते हैं और उसको हम कोई भी नेम दे सकते हैं. एवरीथिंग दैट अ कंप्यूटर डज कैन बी स्टोर्ड इन फाइल्स. जो भी हम कंप्यूटर में करते हैं वो हम एक फाइल में स्टोर कर सकते हैं. फाइल्स आर स्टोर्ड परमानेंटली ऑन स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस लाइक हार्ड डिस्क, पेन ड्राइव और CD, DVD. फाइल्स को हम परमानेंटली भी स्टोर कर सकते हैं कंप्यूटर की हार्ड डिस्क में, आपकी पेन ड्राइव में, CD में और DVD में. ऑलवेज गिव मीनिंगफुल नेम्स टू फाइल टू आइडेंटिफाई देम इजिली. मीन्स अगर आप कोई भी कंप्यूटर वर्क करके उसको फाइल में सेव कर रहे हैं तो आप उसको एक मीनिंगफुल नेम दीजिए, ताकि जब आपको बाद में अगर उसको ढूंढना पड़े तो आप उसको इजीली आइडेंटिफाई कर सकें. ओके, रिमेंबर यू कैन डू लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स विद फाइल्स. क्रिएट नेम, रीनेम, सेव और डिलीट देम. वी कैन डू मेनी थिंग्स विद फाइल्स ऑल्सो, लाइक वी कैन क्रिएट मोर फाइल्स, we can name a file, we can rename a file, we can save a file, and we can also delete them. Okay, quick quiz. Which button when clicks minimize all windows? Which button? Show desktop button. Okay, now how to create a file. Creating files. Files are created through software in which you work. For example, in the Paint program you can create files which when you draw. In MS Word you can create your text files. These files can be saved with any name of your choice. Okay, how we can create a file? With the help of some softwares like Paint program, MS Word. In Paint program we can create a file of the picture that we have drawn. Okay, जो पिक्चर हमने ड्रॉ कर रही है पेंट प्रोग्राम में उसको हम फाइल्स में सेव कर सकते हैं. और MS Word में हम जो भी टाइप करके अपनी फाइल बना रहे हैं वो हम सेव कर सकते हैं, और हम इन सारी फाइल्स को किसी भी नेम से अपनी चॉइस की हम सेव कर सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ हियर इज ओपनिंग अ फाइल. हाउ टू ओपन अ फाइल. अगर हमने कोई फाइल क्रिएट कर ली है तो हम उसको ओपन कैसे करेंगे? ओपनिंग अ फाइल मीन्स टू डिस्प्ले इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू टू वर्क ऑन इट. ईदर यूज द ओपन ऑप्शन फ्रॉम द फाइल मेन्यू और डबल क्लिक ऑन द आइकन ऑफ द फाइल टू ओपन इट. देखो, अगर हमें कोई भी फाइल ओपन करनी है तो हम कैसे करेंगे? सी, this is the desktop window and these are the icons. This is your file, MS Word file. क्योंकि यहाँ पे W है. अभी हमने पीछे एग्जाम्पल देखा था, तो हम कैसे ओपन कर सकते हैं? या तो हम इस पे डबल क्लिक करके ऑन कर सकते हैं. डबल क्लिक ऑन फाइल आइकन, द फाइल विल ओपन. अगर हमने इसके ऊपर डबल क्लिक करा तो हमारी फाइल ये देखो यहाँ पे ओपन हो गई. और वी कैन राइट क्लिक ऑन इट, देन सिलेक्ट द ओपन ऑप्शन. ओके, या तो डबल क्लिक करके ओपन करें या फिर उसके ऊपर राइट क्लिक करें और फिर ओपन करें. ओके, नाउ वी विल कंटिन्यू दिस चैप्टर इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके, revise all the contents, and if you're getting any trouble then contact me. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.